Neil deGrasse Tyson passionately conveys that the most exasperating and sorrowful discovery made by Voyager in the past 10 years is an observation that scientists were unprepared for the spacecraft transmitted concerning data from outer space, causing specialists to become uneasy and everyone to feel tense. Researchers and analysts have been distancing themselves from their regular assignments to probe these enigmatic objects that Voyager recently detected. We are unsure where these peculiar entities originate or where they are heading. Nevertheless, we can be certain that we have never encountered anything like them before. What are these perplexing objects identified by Pioneer 1? Join us as we examine these reactions in Neil deGrasse Tyson's Pioneer 1, which has detected 500 shadowy objects moving through space for almost 5 decades. Voyager 1 has been navigating through space, exploring areas that Earth-based telescopes cannot access and unveiling astonishing discoveries that leave us speechless. Voyager 1 has become the focal point of new territories in interstellar space. This engineering wonder has opened our eyes to the marvels of the cosmos. Recently, Neil deGrasse Tyson confirmed that Pioneer has identified 500 shadowy objects drifting silently through space. This revelation astonished numerous scientists, igniting a frenzy as everyone started analyzing the data gathered by Pioneer 1. Something unusual was unfolding, and experts struggled to comprehend this unexpected finding. Various hypotheses began circulating as researchers endeavored to piece together the mystery. Had another spacecraft returned this puzzling data? Scientists might have questioned its reliability, but we are talking about Pioneer 1A, space probe that has been exploring the vastness of space for nearly 50 years and has far surpassed our expectations. Much like a patient who has triumphed over an illness, Voyager 1 has exceeded the scientists' initial expectations of a 3-year mission, spending over 45 years in space and making revolutionary discoveries. The most fascinating part of the tale is that Pioneer is transmitting this extraordinary journey from billions of miles away. The last time scientists checked, Voyager was 14.5 billion miles from Earth, continuing its path through space with no signs of slowing down. Researchers report that the spacecraft moves at a speed that covers the distance between the Earth and the Sun many times a year. This fact has been difficult for scientists to grasp, considering one would expect the spacecraft speed to have substantially decreased after so many years. However, it appears that Voyager 1 is an anomaly, and its recent findings support this. It seemed like a typical day for researchers when Voyager once transmitted thrilling news that would be remembered for years to come. The probe inadvertently discovered some extraordinary objects crossing through space. This discovery was shocking, explaining the initial IAL confusion among cosmologists when they found data indicating about 500 shadowy objects appearing out of nowhere in an instant. We went from having no details about these objects to experts urgently working to find answers to this puzzle presented by nature. Scientists were in a quandary, and the responsibility could only be placed on one entity, Pioneer 1. Suddenly, researchers understood that the answers lay heavily on the shoulders of the spacecraft. Initially, when news of this discovery broke, some researchers speculated that it might be an error. They thought Voyager may have mistakenly identified these objects and transmitted inaccurate data. If we consider this hypothesis, it seems like a plausible explanation, particularly since Voyager 1 was launched back in 1977. Nearly 50 years of active service for humanity might lead one to expect that the spacecraft's computers would have deteriorated and begun malfunctioning, transmitting subpar data. to the ground team as compelling as this theory is, scientists have warned against jumping to conclusions, as it would undermine the spacecraft's achievements. Despite the harsh and unpredictable conditions of space, Voyager 1 has consistently transmitted valuable information about our universe, defying the skeptics. The spacecraft has lasted this long due to its dual redundant computer systems like its twin Voyager 2. Voyager 1 was equipped with two sets of command systems, data processing systems, and control systems. This redundancy has been the key to the spacecraft's continued success in exploring space and making groundbreaking discoveries. This built-in redundancy allowed for the continuous switching between systems and the ability to activate and use computer components, extending their lifespan. When designing Voyager 1, engineers on Earth crafted plans to maximize the spacecraft's efficiency. This meant the probe's instruments had to be built using simplified systems to meet time constraints and power limitations. Electrical engineers concluded that the instruments should utilize straightforward systems based on hardware logic. As a result, Voyager's computer systems include power management with 6 onboard computers, organized as a distributed system with 3 dual redundant pairs. Having overcome this challenge, researchers faced the next significant hurdle: power management, keeping the systems operating. They addressed this issue by creating a power management strategy. Here's where it gets intriguing. Power management involved supporting the functioning components of Voyager's computer systems. This was a challenging task given the limited power resources aboard the spacecraft. However, experts devised a plan to monitor and optimize power usage. One real-world example of these energy management strategies is the scheduled shutdown of non-essential systems. Researchers faced a tough decision and used a detailed approach to identify and deactivate components or subsystems that were not crucial for the probe's primary mission objectives. This is evident when examining the radiators linked to certain instruments that had to be powered down. These radiators were originally meant to maintain the instruments at specific temperatures for optimal performance. However, the plan was adjusted to activate them only when necessary, greatly reducing energy consumption on the spacecraft. This decrease in energy use creates a ripple effect. It prolongs the spacecraft's operational life. It's a mutually beneficial situation. It's vital to emphasize that the decision to power down non-essential systems wasn't made lightly. Such a move requires careful evaluation of the trade-offs between conserving energy and fulfilling the spacecraft's scientific goals. Every decision required the entire team to collaborate in evaluating the impact of shutting down specific systems on the quality and availability of scientific data. Emotions were set aside. It was entirely about the facts at hand. The team aimed to optimize energy efficiency while ensuring the spacecraft could continue collecting crucial data about our universe. Both engineers and scientists insisted that nothing should impede Voyager 1 from uncovering the profound secrets hidden in the far reaches of space, secrets that the universe has concealed for eons. Additionally, power reduction isn't the only strategy NASA experts are employing to keep Voyager operational in space. They also had another significant advantage to assist the probe. The team developed energy management plans that adapted to the ever-changing conditions of the spacecraft's environment. For example, as Voyager 1 travels farther from the Sun, the available solar energy diminishes. This presents a challenge, but the experts were prepared. They countered this declining energy by ensuring the spacecraft adjusted its energy consumption accordingly. This adaptable approach is beneficial for NASA engineers and researchers as it guarantees that the available energy resources are effectively distributed to support the spacecraft's essential tasks and data transmission back to Earth. The positive news doesn't stop there. Ongoing technological advancements and improvements in energy management have allowed engineers to refine the spacecraft's power system over the years. A closer inspection of these enhancements reveals that they include more efficient energy distribution, improved battery charging methods, and advancements in energy regulation and control. The careful planning and management of energy resources have empowered Voyager 1 and its counterpart, Voyager 2, to continue exploring the cosmos. The announcement sent shock waves through the scientific community. Neil deGrasse Tyson's declaration resonated worldwide, highlighting a decade of detailed research by Voyager 1 in the vastness of interstellar space. The probe had unexpectedly uncovered an anomaly, 500 mysterious objects, their origins and purposes hidden in deep secrecy, silently moving through the void. This startling revelation sparked a wave of scientific investigation. Researchers and scientists from around the globe began working together to comprehend these peculiar objects, aiming to uncover their origins and purposes. The important discovery by Voyager 1 opened a new chapter in space exploration, challenging existing theories and inspiring fresh ideas about cosmic mysteries. The ongoing analysis of this data promises to expand our understanding, potentially revealing new insights into the nature of the universe and our place within it. As we continue to investigate the enigma, the ultimate goal remains to uncover the truth behind these dark objects and their implications for our understanding of space. As researchers dive deeper into the 500 shadowy objects identified by Voyager 1, the scope of exploration has broadened. The initial data gathered by the spacecraft has already sparked several captivating theories. One theory suggests these objects could be remnants of ancient astronomical occurrences, such as debris from exploded stars or fragmented asteroids. Alternatively, they may consist of materials unknown to current science, hinting at new forms of matter or entirely new physical phenomena. As physicists deploy advanced computer models to replicate the trajectories and possible origins of these objects by studying their movements and speeds, researchers hope to determine if they originate from a shared source or if they stem from various distinct events. This aspect of the study is vital for understanding the broader implications of the discovery, such as the potential existence of previously overlooked cosmic cycles or interactions. Observatories around the world have joined forces to track these objects. Ground-based telescopes are being employed to verify and augment the information returned by Voyager 1, providing a more comprehensive view of their characteristics. High-resolution imaging and spectral analysis are essential parts of this work, aiming to identify any chemical traces or physical attributes that could reveal more about their nature. In addition to observational initiatives, theoretical physicists are exploring the possible effects of these discoveries on our understanding of fundamental physics. If the objects exhibit unusual gravitational effects or electromagnetic properties, they could offer insights into theories of dark matter or dark energy. Such discoveries could reshape our understanding of the universe. Most mysterious aspects. The discovery has also ignited collaboration across various disciplines. Cosmologists, mathematicians, and even material science experts are contributing their expertise to solve the riddle posed by these unknown objects. This teamwork fosters a more complete understanding of the data and ensures that all potential avenues are explored. Educational institutions and research centers are now incorporating this new astronomical mystery into their curricula, using it to inspire the next generation of scientists. Public interest in space exploration has surged, with many eagerly following the investigation's progress. This renewed enthusiasm for space science has led to increased funding and support for space missions and research, reflecting the widespread appeal and significance of the discovery. Moreover, the ramifications of the finding extend beyond science. If these objects are found to have unique properties or behaviors, they could lead to practical applications in technology and industry. For example, if the objects contain new materials with exceptional strength or conductivity, they might be used in advanced manufacturing or electronics. As the investigation progresses, the academic community remains cautious yet hopeful. The data returned by Voyager 1 is being meticulously examined to rule out any errors or anomalies. Peer reviews and replication studies are crucial to validate the findings and ensure that the conclusions drawn are sound and reliable. In conclusion, the discovery of 500 shadowy objects by Voyager 1 has opened a new frontier in space exploration. The ongoing investigation into these mysterious entities is set to enhance our knowledge of the universe, challenge existing theories, and potentially uncover groundbreaking revelations. The collective efforts of scientists worldwide highlight the importance of this discovery and underscore the enduring pursuit of knowledge that drives space exploration. As we look forward to further revelations, the excitement and anticipation surrounding this vast enigma continue to grow, promising new insights into the deepest secrets of the cosmos.